Hey there, my friend. I know learning English isn't always easy. Sometimes you feel shy. Sometimes you want to speak, but the words don't come out. You're afraid of making mistakes. You're afraid people will laugh. But let me tell you something important today. You should never be afraid to speak English. Part 1. Everyone makes mistakes. Do you know something? Every English speaker, even native speakers, makes mistakes. Yes, everyone. The difference is they don't stop speaking. They keep talking. They learn from every mistake. So don't be afraid of your accent. Don't be afraid of your grammar. Don't wait for perfect English, because perfect doesn't exist. Just start speaking. Part 2. English is not just a language, it's confidence. When you speak English, you open new doors in your life. You connect with new people. You discover new ideas. You become more confident in yourself. Every time you speak, even one sentence, you grow. Even if it's not perfect, it's progress. Remember this. Practice doesn't make perfect. Practice makes progress. Part 3. Your fear is your teacher. If you feel nervous, that's okay. It means you care. It means you're trying. Don't run away from fear. Face it. Because when you face your fear, it becomes your strength. Every time you speak English, you're teaching your brain to be brave. So be proud of every small step you take. Part 4. Keep going, even when it's hard. Some days, you'll feel like you're not improving. Some days, you'll forget words. But remember, progress is invisible sometimes. Even when you don't see it, you're growing. So keep listening, keep reading, keep practicing, keep believing. You're doing better than you think. Part 5. Believe in yourself. You don't need perfect English to express yourself. You just need courage. Your voice matters. Your story matters. Your dream to speak English confidently, it's possible. So today, promise yourself, I will not be afraid to speak. I will learn from my mistakes. I will keep going no matter what. Because English isn't just a language. It's your bridge to the world. So speak. Even if your voice shakes. Even if your words are simple. Speak. Because your journey has already begun. I believe in you. And one day, you'll look back and say, I did it. I really did it.